Well, it wouldn't be a one of my videos if I didn't lose a brand new drone. Now I'm just hoping it's not broken. I can find it and have it on the map. But I'll show you what I'm looking at because it's rough. Back here. See anything? New development in the drone. I finally got service up here, and unfortunately we were looking in the wrong spot. I have a satellite imagery map. I think we're gonna find it. Oh, sorry, dude. But I just want that memory card because we got top of the world on it, and we have Wipeout Hill as well as some really cool shots of this area. So this stuff is slick right here. Be careful, buddy. Is that sketchy? What are we doing?
We're gonna go find that drone, baby.
Oh yeah!
Here we go.
All right. I think we can get to the top, and hopefully we can find the drone up there. All right, guys, so the drone should be that way, hopefully. Zach, what do you think our chances are?
Really bad at risk assessment if you can't tell, so maybe I'm not the best to ask.
What'd you say?
We're gonna find it, that's what I said. We're walking our way over to just past this rock here, and once we get over there, there's kind of a slanted rock slide that we're figuring we can walk up and get on top of the plateau where we think the drone might be.
Mike, how are we doing?
Oh, we're doing great. Looks like we have about another 70 feet to go up.
Now where do we need to go?
I think we just need to go this way a little bit, get around this crown up here. We'll basically be straight across from where we are, but on the other side of the crown, and that should be about where we're aiming for.
Heck yeah. Looks too sketchy to do in the dark. What do you think?
Yeah, the issue was we were hoping to kind of shoot through one of these upper layers here, but it's just a little too consistent with the heights. So we'd have to go all the way around the rim that you see here. And from this point at 520, that's another 3.5 miles of slow scrambling. So with the daylight we have and some of the conditions I'm seeing ahead of us, I don't think it's a good idea to push forward.
I agree. think we'd die. I mean, well.
That's what not to do. I mean, I don't know how many times I've hiked up or climbed up some rocks and then on the way back down just about had a heart attack or rerouted even.
See guys, it wasn't clickbait. That was definitely an impossible drone rescue because we didn't rescue it. But because we didn't have the images, but we now know that it's actually lower and it was where we were looking. I shouldn't be called to work today, so I have a little bit of time to try to go recover this drone. So Apple Maps was telling me to park my car, but we're not going to be doing that. Drone is right there. Alright, I want to keep going forward. Where we want to go this way. So that's where we're going. This way, right there, takes us where we need to go. My drone, I think, is over there. We're gonna hike up that. Now, up there from the last part, that's where we thought it might be because we didn't have the images, but we now know that it's actually lower and it was where we were looking. Now, I think the drone is right there. But let's keep going and kind of see what we have to walk on. Walk on this road. I also have the GPS, which I think was right, but now I should be able to hone in on it, so. All right, the GPS has us getting close. I think that's the rock right there that I saw in the last image. Okay, rock, it hit. I'm on the upper step. Everything looks pretty good. I think I can climb down here. See, walked right by it. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. I'm really excited to have found it. And now I just have to get myself back down. All right, we are back where we started this adventure, Wipeout Hill. Now, if you have not seen that trail guide, check that out because it has some really good off-road action. And now that I do have the 4K footage from this, you'll have some 4K drone footage in that one. Anyway, thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. This is not typically what we do, but we may do adventures like this, especially when we have mishaps filming trail guides. But you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and we really appreciate you guys checking in. All right, we are back at the